Welcome to a quick tutorial on how to create a workspace that will automate the process of generating board meeting minutes. So I'm going to go over here and I'm going to go over to our workspaces, which is the little people, and then I'm going to go to the board meeting minutes. What a workspace is comprised of, really quickly, is custom instructions. Here are the custom instructions that I have for this workspace. These will be attached to this video so you can actually go in and see the custom instructions that I am using. The knowledge that I have uploaded is the template minutes, an agenda, and previous meeting minutes. Now you can upload a variety of previous meeting minutes, 3 to 5. If you start uploading a lot more than 5, it probably will start to lose some of its relevance. So try maybe anywhere between 1 and 5 would be great. So the idea here is I either email in the board meeting minutes to the workspace, or I can come here and I can upload it. And I actually have some typed up meeting minutes from the other day. So I upload those and I say, please generate the minutes. I probably don't even have to have instructions. I probably could just quickly upload them because it knows what to do. And here you can see it's taken the typed up minutes and I can see them over here. If I want to just close this so I don't have to look at it, then I can do that as well. And we asked it to do a pre-drafting analysis. So it's done that, and now it's drafting the new board meeting minutes from those notes. Again, you can also upload an image file, or you could even try an audio file and then have it take the audio file and convert that to text. Same thing, an image would take the image file and convert that to text, do an analysis, and then upload it. So here you can see it's taken all of the information. Now it knows about this company because we have set this company up in the command center. And it's pulling over that information. It's pulled out the individual's full names and titles. You can see over here in the meeting minutes, it just has the first names, but from the previous meeting minutes, it's pulled all of that to make it, to then give that additional information. And you can see here, it has now generated that report. And then there's a space for the chair to follow up. Now I can also say, generate a PowerPoint presentation for the C-suite. We need to report on that as well. So it'll take a second and then generate that. And you can continue going, if you need to generate additional information from these meeting minutes, then you can do this here in the same workspace. And this framework works really well if you need to take information, generate it in a specific form over and over again without having the complexities of reading or translating. Again, you can email it in, you can upload it. Either way, right now it's generating the presentation, and I will let you take a look at that in a second when it's done. Okay, it looks like it's done, and here we go. We have now a PowerPoint of what went on in that meeting in quite a nice format, broken down, refinancing update, governance and key action items, and a lovely next steps. And again, here you can look across at everything and verify the information to make sure it's correct. Here are the actual meeting minute notes. Here is what has been generated from those notes for the minutes that can be printed and signed or downloaded as a PDF and e-signed. And then the PowerPoint presentation. And then you can say, generate me a 5-minute presentation script for highlighting the key pieces of information for the C-suite. So then, like I said, you can continue to build on this depending on what you need to do. Do you need then to present this to the C-suite? One of the things I've also done is I've created a workspace to generate scripts for me for presentations. I recorded myself doing the general intro to my presentations, uploaded a bunch of my presentations and some transcripts. And then when I go to it, I say, this is what I want to present on. Here are some of my ideas. Or I give it the deck, and then it creates a script for me. And you can see here, we have yet another tab open that then has the script. And then here you could also change the tone. Maybe you don't want it to sound so stiff. Maybe you want it in bullet points, because for me it's hard to read it like this. I'd prefer to have it in bullet points. You can go ahead and do that there when it is done. So that is quickly how you can use a workspace to generate board meeting minutes, a presentation, and then also a script to go along with your presentation for that. Hope you enjoy this. If you have any questions, then reach out and let us know. Thanks so much.